Here's a 2-pack of Bodhi Dog bath brushes. These were sent to me so I could try them, and I'm very excited to do so because I have 3 dogs who are way overdue for baths because we don't like to give them baths when it's cold out because they don't like to get dry. So it is time. So this is a 2-pack. It says pet approved. They're latex-free, durable, waterproof shampoo, massager, soft rubber bristles. Okay, so we've got a nice little loop to put around your hand so it's easy to get in there. They've got like tiny little bristles and they're nice and firm but also soft, so it doesn't feel like it would hurt them, but it's gonna get in there. So let's get them in the tub and try them. Here's our senior citizen. He is 14 now and no longer a lover of baths. I was actually pretty surprised that he actually seemed to enjoy these brushes. He wasn't squirming around as much as he usually does when I'm just using my hands. I usually shampoo and rinse each dog 3 times. And each time I did that, I would get more and more fur on the Bodhi brush. So you could tell that it was loosening up more and more of that like under fur each time. It was easy to use and easy to keep the brushes on my hands. I got used to using the brushes pretty quickly, and he seemed to not only not hate it, but maybe enjoying it a little bit. Even though he has really short hair, he does shed, so I was glad to see that we were getting some of that off of him. The brushes are easy to clean after use, and I'm really excited to have them. It's a great tool to have if you have dogs, especially more than one dog. And then you can see I'm getting more and more after each round of the shampooing and rinsing. It never felt like it was tugging or pulling, and he never showed any signs of discomfort. And then, of course, we've got the after bath zoomies where everybody goes a little wild in the yard because they're still a little wet because they won't let us dry them properly. I'm also convinced no one likes to be clean because they were actually rolling in the yard right after this.